In the event of a large earthquake, here are a few things to keep in mind and to also prepare for. Find out if you're in a zone that needs to be evacuated in the event of a tsunami, and where to go and how to get there. Check the links below on our video so you can be fully informed. If you're in a zone that needs to be evacuated immediately, remember, if it's long and strong, you need to get out of your house immediately. Do not delay. If you do not need to immediately evacuate because of a tsunami possibility, then you need to check your surroundings. It is no good jumping up and taking off and not thinking about what might be ahead of you. If you are unsure if you can get out of the area, think of something or somewhere that you can shelter. Put shoes on, good strong walking ones preferably. You may have to walk long distances and there could be a lot of broken glass and debris around. Shelter must be somewhere where things can't fall on you, not under trees or next to buildings. Check that everyone near you are okay and help if needed. Turn off power, gas and water at mains till it has been checked and deemed safe to use. Keeping warm is the number one priority in winter. Hypothermia is a killer. Shock can make you shake, so you must keep warm. Water is your next priority. You can survive without food for a bit, but water is a must-have. These are the first-hand experiences from people who have been through big quakes, and reading what they went through may help and will give you insight into what it is like. Now might be a good time to check your provisions and prepare a survival kit if you haven't already. Here is a good video that may assist you. Keep footwear, jackets and blankets handy so they can be accessed readily and preferably all in one place that is near your best exit. Remember, those that are prepared and ready for any emergency, regardless whether it be earthquakes, weather or some other event, will always cope so much better than those who are not prepared. Think about how you will contact emergency services and family if phone lines are down or your cell phone is no longer working. Know what to do in this event.